Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we will talk about the like decimal and unlike decimal. So first of all, we will start with the like decimal. So what is like decimal? Like decimal means if the number of digits after the decimal will be same, then you can tell these are the like decimal. That means suppose 5.34, 5.55, 5.76, okay, then 37.5, okay, 523 and 72.37, 172.37. Okay, suppose I have written these numbers, I have taken these numbers. Okay, now like decimal means what? I told you like decimal means what? The number of digits after the decimal will be equal. Okay, like decimal means what? The number of digits, not the digits. I am telling number of digits after the decimal will be equal. That means what? Here in this number you can see after point you are having how many digits? 3 digits. And here after point 2 digits, after point 2 digits, after point 2 digits, and here also after point 2 digits. So like decimal means the number of digits after decimal will be equal. So here number of digits 2, that means 1 2, 2 pluses 2 digits after decimal. Here also 1 2, 2 digits, 1 2, 2 digits, 1 2, 2 digits. So now in this, but here 1 2 3, 3 digits here. So now you can tell these are what? These numbers are having the same number of digits after the decimal. That means all the numbers are having two places after the decimal. Then this number are called what? Like decimal. Okay, this number are called like decimal. What about this number? Then this number, and this number are unlike decimal. Suppose I'm writing 3. Now suppose first of all unlike decimal. Now unlike decimal, the number of digits after decimal will be not equal. Okay, what about unlike decimal? That means 5.37, 5.372, 15.234, 152.0. Now you can see here, after point, here after point 2 digits, here after point 1 2 3, 3 digits, here after point 1 2 3, 3 digits, and here after point 1 digits. So here the number of digits here in this number, the number of digits after the decimal is 2, number of digits after decimal is 3, number of digits after decimal is 3, number of digit after decimal is 1. So you can tell this one and this one and this one are what? Unlike decimal. And you can see here 3 and here also 3. That means after point you are having here 3 digits, after point you are having here also 3 digits. So these are like decimal. decimal. So what is like and what is unlike decimal? That means if after point, you have to check only after point. You have to check after point, not the digit will be same. Here you can see 3, 7, 2 and here 2, 3, 4. This doesn't matter, whatever the digits are. This thing doesn't matter. You have to check how many digits are after the point. This thing matters. That means how many digits are there after the point. What are the digits? This thing doesn't matter. So after the point, how many digits are there? 3 digits. And whatever the digits, no problem. Here after the points, also 3 digits. What are the digits? No problem. Okay. So here 3 digits after point. Here also 3 digits. So this one and this one like decimal, but this one after point 2 digit, this one after point 3 digit, and this one after point 1 digit. All are having different digit after the point. So these are called unlike decimal. That means what is like decimal and what is unlike decimal? That means whenever after the point you will have same number of digits. That means how many digits are there after the point. If it is same, then it will be like decimal, and after the point, if it will be different number of digits, okay, then it will be unlike decimal. And now I'm talking about whatever the digits before the point. ओके दैट मीन्स पॉइंट के जब पिछले वाला डिजिट जो रहेगा उसके बारे में क्या, उसको देखना ही नहीं है, छोड़ देना, बोलो भागो, उसको छोड़ देना है, उसको कुछ नहीं करना है. जैसे यहाँ पे पॉइंट के पहले 15 था, ठीक, यहाँ पे पॉइंट के पहले 5 था, वो देखेंगे ही नहीं. यहाँ पे भी देखो ना, ये सब अनलाइक डेसिमल है. ओके, सो बिफोर पॉइंट हियर 172 एंड हियर बिफोर पॉइंट 5, इट डजंट मैटर. ओके, it doesn't matter. Unlike and like decimal, tell this thing doesn't matter, that whatever the digits they are having in front of the point, this thing doesn't matter. Only you have to check how many digits are there after the point. Okay, after the decimal how many digits are there. Whatever the digits, this doesn't matter. क्या क्या digits है वो इसमें नई बात हो रहा है, कितना सारा digits होगा ये बस इसमें मायने रखता है. क्लियर? सो दीज आर द like decimal and unlike decimal of the portion of decimal chapter.